Well, hey everybody. I just got off work and dropped my bag off, put a load of laundry in. So it's about almost 6 o'clock now. So I'm deciding, I'm getting the rumblies a bit. I'm going, what am I going to have for dinner? Tonight's going to be super easy. Made a chicken yesterday, so we're going to make a veggie. I'm going to show you. Let's go in the fridge. The fridge isn't perfect because I have to share it with another person, so I have a roommate out here. So here's the chicken. I'm going to take some chicken out and cheese. Oh, here. I have to cook this up. So I'm not going to use the ginger garlic sauce. You could if you wanted to, but I'm not going to opt to do that tonight. I am going to cook these veggies up. We're going to have veggie, chicken, cheese, quesadilla. Yeah? And I think that's it. I might have some green onions in here. Boom. If I was really feeling motivated, I would actually cut these peppers up. But yeah. And I've got salsa and all that stuff, but I'll pull that stuff out later. So let's get this started. So I'm going to take the air fryer basket out, leave the ceramic bowl in. Oh, it's not plugged in. Whoopsies. All right, so make sure your Ninja Foodi is plugged in. Plugged in. Go ahead and turn it on. We're going to sear saute. It's right on there. High 5. I'm going to hit start for right now. I'm going to take my handy dandy avocado sprayer and just spray the bottom. Let that warm up. Let's go over to the veg. So it's been warming up for about 1:09. I'm just going to go ahead and take that bag of veg. I'm going to pour it in there. Just watch out. There's a packet in here. Where is that packet? I thought there's a packet. Oh, there it is. Don't. Make sure that comes out. So, guys, this is just I get these at Walmart. It's the ginger, garlic, veggies, and soy sauce and stir-fried kit. Here's the sauce that it comes with it. You can actually pop this in the fridge if you're not going to use it, which I'm not going to. Oh, one more thing. What I want you to pay attention to is because these vegetables take about 6 minutes to cook when you saute them. Please keep track because it is on high. These vegetables might brown before they're done. You can go ahead. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you. I usually add like a couple tablespoons of water, or I do 1 tablespoon at a time, just to make sure these veggies do not burn. All right, so you have just putting a little bit in, giving it a stir. You can even turn it down if you want to. You can actually turn it down to 4, which I think I'm going to. Turn your sear sauteed down to 4. And I'm adding the rest of that water. It's probably like 1.5 tablespoons. Probably a little bit more water. It's like I said, I want these vegetables to cook, not like super brown up. So probably, let's just say a total of 3 to 4 tablespoons. So my veg is, I'm going to shut the Ninja Foodi off. My veg is al dente. That's how I want it. If you want it cooked more, cook it longer and add more water. I'm going to take it out and put it in a bowl over here. So while the veg is cooling off, I washed the inner pot, so that's all washed. So you're just going to take some of this chicken. All you do is just give it a chop. It's going right through it. That felt like a bone. Let me just check that. Yep. I'm like, yep, felt like a bone. So make sure your chicken is boneless. No, that's that stuff. Sorry, I'm just going through it just to make sure. Now what you can do, you can actually heat this chicken up if you want. Like toss it. You can actually toss it in the Ninja Foodi if you want, but you can toss it in the microwave and just warm this chicken up in the microwave quickly. Next up, I'm going to put the air fryer basket right in there. Now the only size I have are these. These are really good. I like the. Oh, I just took out 3 of them. I actually picked up these. These are tasty. The Mission Extra Fluffy tortillas. I really like these. Yeah, I didn't get around to make my own. I do like to have these other ones in the house. Not gonna lie. So I'm gonna take one of these. Just gonna put it right down in there. And I'm gonna take some cheese. And remember, you guys can add whatever you want. This is just what I'm having tonight. Use what you have in the house. You can put anything on here. Asparagus, whatever. Doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna put some of this cheese on here. You can add as little or as much cheese as you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. I'm going to keep it on 390 and just, we're going to hit start. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to let that cheese just melt a little tiny bit. Then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So it's been about 2 minutes. So you're going to go ahead and add some chicken. Add a little bit of chicken on here. I'm also going to go ahead and add some of the veg. And you don't have to add veg, but I like to have veggies with my meal. Makes it better, interesting. Plus I had to use that bag of veg up. And then I love those bags from Walmart. I think they're like $3 and something, but everything's chopped. Everything's done for you. Come back here, broccoli. And you can add as much veg or as little veg as you want. I like a lot of veg, so we're adding lots of veg. And, of course, just a little bit more cheese. Because people love their cheese. So I'm going to add some cheese. That's too much for me, but it'll look good in the video. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the top quesadilla, and we're going to squish this down. Once again, be careful because like my arm's hitting the side, but it's not really bothering me. So I just want everybody to be careful. And yes, you can make this out, then add it if you want to. But yeah, go ahead and close the lid. And we're probably going to let that cook for, I don't know how long, probably a good amount of time, like probably 3-4 minutes. Let's see how many minutes have gone by. So 2 minutes, 16, 17, 18, 2 more minutes have gone by. Let's look at this. Ooh, it's looking lovely. Where's my spatula? Mise en place, people, mise en place. We're going to see if we can get that underneath there. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that is lovely. I would say that's done. It's completely warmed and heated through. I'm going to bring it out and put it on a plate. So there it is right there. I did have, like not everybody's going to have tomatoes and green onion in the house. And of course, sour cream, which I haven't even, did I open that? Oh yeah, I have opened it. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do, we're going to cut this. And this is my dinner tonight. And this is a great dinner. You got chicken, cheese, veggies. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. You got some fresh. I want people to see that. So we're just going to garnish with, this is a bit too much green onion. Green onion. Yeah, it's way too much. Yeah, look at that. It's gorgeous. Yes, this is an after work dinner. You don't have to do the veggies. I just wanted the veggies. You don't have to put veggies in there. Put whatever you want in there. But yeah, look at this. Yeah. Let's try it plain before we put any sour cream on it. This is good. Got a little bit of tomatoes. You can actually cut up some more if you want, but yeah. Then you can put some salsa on here, whatever you want. I might go for some salsa and the sour cream. Mmm. Super good. The washing machine just stopped, so I have to put stuff into the dryer and start another load. So yeah, dinner served. I can even eat it off this cutting board. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. I just want to show you this is what I do when I get home. It's not a full cut recipe. It's just whatever you have in the fridge, take out and just make something. It's so good. Laundry.